Hello, welcome to Mr. Hanson Math. I'm Mr. Hanson. Let me help you out with the math. Today I'm right here talking about dividing integers. Now this is intended to be extra problems added on to the video I've already shown. So please click on that and watch that video where I explain in depth, step by step, rules, steps, procedures. I explain it all in that video. And to watch this video, I'm assuming that you've already seen that one. You have to watch it. Click it now. It'll pause this video. It'll take you to that when you watch it, get all the details, and then come back and finish the rest of it. It'll pause it. You unpause it right here where we're at. You won't miss a step. But I'm not going to explain every level of detail. I will do a lot of problems. I'll explain as I go. But I'm assuming you watched that video, so you have to watch it to be clear and understand what we're doing here. The bottom line was waste of time. Let's get going. Dividing integers. 18 divided by negative 2. 18 divided by negative 2. 18 divided by negative 2. Just divide the numbers. Just divide. And then remember, use that chart. That chart I told you, positive times positive is a positive, positive times a negative is a negative, negative times a positive is a negative, and negative times a negative is a positive. The two cancel out. So here we go. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then a positive divided by a negative will yield a negative result. It would be a negative answer. The answer is negative 9. You can solve these. You don't need a calculator. That's what I'm saying. You don't need a calculator to solve these. How about 28, negative 28 divided by 4. Negative 28 divided by 4. Guess what? I don't care. Just divide the numbers. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Negative divided by positive, there's only one negative. There's nothing to make it cancel. So it's going to carry forward to your answer. Your answer will be negative. It'll be negative 7. Negative 7. All right, let's keep rolling. Let's keep rolling. Let's say negative 30 divided by negative 5. Negative 50 divided by negative 5. I hope you already know 50 divided by 5 is 10. 50 divided by 5 is 10. And you got to know a negative divided by negative is going to cancel. Remember I told you if there's two of them, if there's an even number, which is 2, they're going to cancel and become positive. And so the answer is positive 10. There you go. The negatives cancel and you get positive 10 for your answer. Similar to multiplication, if there's an odd number, if there's one negative, there's an odd number of negatives, one negative, the answer is negative. One negative, the answer is negative. Two negatives cancel, the answer is positive. That's the key when you're dividing. So let's keep going. I don't know how to make it more difficult than this. I can go big numbers. Let's say 200 divided by negative 40. 200 divided by negative 40. I don't care, just use your calculator. 200 divided by 40, that's 5. So you put a 5 right there. The key you need to know with your brain is that positive divided by negative is going to be a negative every time. There's only one negative in the problem. The answer will be negative. Let's keep going. Seriously, I don't know how to make it more difficult than this. I hope that you're learning from this. I hope you're comfortable. I hope this builds your confidence. I hope you're getting the answer before I do. That's what I'm saying. I hope you're seeing these problems and you're arriving at the answer before I do. The correct answer, I bet. Let's say 35 divided by negative 10. Let's just divide the numbers. 35 divided by 10 is 5. Positive divided by negative is negative. Negative 5. Let's keep rolling. Let's keep rolling. Let's say negative 18 divided by negative 3. Negative 18 divided by negative 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Negative divided by negative, they're going to cancel, so it's positive 6. There's no negatives left over. The two negatives that you had cancel with each other and result in a positive answer. Let's keep cruising. 55 divided by negative 11. 55 divided by negative 11. Well, 55 divided by 11 is 5. Positive divided by negative is a negative. The answer is negative 5. Oh, I got a secret. I got one for you. I got one for you. Oh, goodness sakes. I'm glad I remembered this. Watch this. Negative 8 divided by negative 4. Gross. So gross. Nobody likes divide by signs. You know it and I know it. Nobody likes divide by signs. That's why I go straight to fractions. I don't know if you noticed. I'm sure you did. I just go straight to fraction bars. Fractions are way better once you get into about junior high and high school math up. They're so much easier to simplify, so much easier to distribute when you're doing distributive property multiplication, so much easier to factor, so much, they're just, for slope, rise over run, I mean, fractions, ideal. I don't know what to tell you. Fractions are always better, but they just mean divide. That's what the divide by sign is. You know, it's just that, it's like a fraction. It's like that number divided by that number. It's just that number divided by that number. It's just a fraction. That's all it is. That's what the divide by sign is. So the bottom line is 8 divided by 4 is 2. Negative by negative, there's 2 of them. They're going to cancel. The answer is positive 2. There we go. I'll do a couple more of those. I'll use like parentheses or something, try and intimidate you or scare you off. Let's say 42 divided by negative 6. 42 divided by negative 6. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Positive divided by negative is a negative. The answer is negative 7. I literally, I can't make it too difficult for you. You are a master of this. But I'll try. I'll put a couple more problems on there. Let's say negative 60 divided by negative 15. Negative 60 divided by negative 15. Well, 60 divided by 15 is 4. And negative by negative is a positive. They're going to cancel. The answer is positive 4. The answer is positive 4. I'm trying to think of some more. I'll do some more, but I don't know how to make it tough. I don't know how to make it tough. Oh, I got one. Let's see if you can get this. Let's see if you can get this. 12 divided by 4. Is that positive 3 or negative 3? What a joke. What a joke. The answer's tree. Positive tree. There's no negatives. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Seriously, guys, I don't know what else to do except for more of these. Let me know in the comments if you want some more, but this is it. Good luck. Never stop learning.